yeah, this is just my
Oh,
car.
no.
So,
Midriff.
if we can get some solid shots of the front and the back, and that's it, it's all
The
fine.
trees, and what's it say? Oh, northern, okay.
So northern ribbon, and then on the back it says,
Okay, so we'll just do the chair where it is, we'll sit down the way you were before, we'll get those shots first.
Okay, yeah,
And
you
I'll
got
bring
it.
up a little bit just so I can
And
see.
The post-it you did, yeah,
Yep.
that, and then put your hands on these, there.
Yes, there we go, like that.
Look at that booty tooch.
Look at the what?
Booty tooch. That's a technical term.
It's a booty chooch.
Booty tooch.
Oh, okay.
It's an
Booty of them.
America's Next Top Model, man. That's Tyra's thing.
pirate.
Good. Just, I can't really see the words in there. Maybe you can smooth the back of her jacket out, just so I can see the words. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I'm seeing a great wrinkle
Okay,
there.
quick pose, like pose.
Hold the bottom in if it needs to be folded in.
Okay.
There you go, that's better.
And I can see the words a little better.
And then, you know.
Yeah. Ah, whoa, yeah, careful the leg. Safety first. Okay, kind of the same thing, but maybe looking a bit more back at me, and then I can see your feet. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Okay, look in the other direction, maybe. That looks. That's great. We got a wrinkle going on there again. No.
Jamie.
Hey, that worked here. That's okay. Look.
It didn't go. Look.
That's one of the
It
rules.
worked! You can see the words!
Yeah, but one of the rules is no breaking